I think special performance for our guys. They've been through a lot the last couple of days, the last week. I thought, like I said to the media yesterday, we had won 90% of the quarters we played, and just had a couple bad fourth quarters. And as I said the other day, a lot of that was on me. And these guys really showed up and led each other. I think definitely some of our best games from our imports, and then Achi had another game like the Achi we know, and Dewey, same thing. So I think our veteran players led us today, and it was special. They've been through a lot this week, so it's good to watch.
他提到足球员包含阿吉啊、德威啊、让部分我们老将部分，大家都争起来。他也提到说，因为前几天的一些比赛，他就是全部都经历了一些挫折。那当然就是他也跟媒体人在聊到说，其实大家的责任是在他身上，因为等于说前3场比赛，12节比赛是不输了。他很开心的是球员今天等于说做出了回应，做出了反应，他们大家很团结、很凝聚在一起，打了一场算是他认为说是本季当中算相当好的一场比赛。
First off, like I always say, I got to give it up to my teammates, my boy Steph, Archie, Dewey. He stepped up pretty big this game. Migo. I can't even just go individually. Like, we all came in and just did our job. Just went out there, gave it our all. Gave us another opportunity to come out with a, first round win. It gave us another opportunity to go to the finals for the first time in the B-League. So I just want to give it all up to them. It's not just one individual. It's all of a collective that came out with that win tonight. So I just want to give it all thanks to them. Without them, without everybody on our staff, it wouldn't be possible. You know what I'm saying? We would be down 2. Now it's tied 2-2. So I just want to thank them, for all the effort and hard work that we put in and practice and everything to come out with this win today.
觉得也是蛮好的，花时间去谢谢他的整个团队队友们，当然先选原本从落后的情况之下，大家很努力的追回来。他也提过说，这不是只有单一一个人的功劳，他变成说其实他全队的队友他都是没办法一一唱名的，所以他是对团队的力量，然后最后大家凝聚在一起，把比分给扳平了，就再有这个机会可以第一轮的胜利，就是进到总冠军赛。
From the start, we were locked in as a team. When the ball tipped, we were locked in defensively. We got after. The game is fun when you get stops and you can just run out and on the offensive end just shoot shots. So, we made it easy on ourselves. Getting deflections, defense, stops, rebounds, block shots. Like, the game's easy. The game is fun. We do this drill in practice every day called 2-on-2 full court. So, once we get stops on defensive end, we just play 2-on-2. Like, we play 2-on-2 in practice.
Steph 提到说，其实从一开始跳球一开始第一分钟的时候，大家都非常专注，特别在防守的部分来讲，他能够用很好的防守，然后转换快攻的部分。那其实我们在练习的时候，我们会做一个2对2全场，其实也是很类似这样的节奏。所以其实等到我们大家防守能量开始在产生的时候，其实最后的结果就好像我们在练习一样，去做2对2全场快攻的情况。
只是经历前面的2场下来之后，第一次遇到，然后就是我看到球队他没有因为这样的低迷，就是教练啊、明哥，然后就是一直不断的激励我们，然后告诉我们可以进冠军赛，然后就是因为这气氛很好吧，然后才会有今天这个比赛。
一下教练，因为前一场比赛我们球队的3分球表现的不是很好，那这一场比赛感觉有复苏的迹象，关键是什么？
I just think that we were so good defensively. Steph made the point. The game comes easy, right? And so we weren't pressing for an open shot or thinking twice or maybe this guy's more open. There was no hesitation because we got so much good transition. And